Hi, welcome to Camera Talk. My name's Andrew. This week we're doing a video on light painting. Light painting and long exposures have common links, however they do differ in their style of photography. Long exposure is about using available light to capture light from a subject, whereas painting with light uses lights to illuminate the subject. This is the key difference between the two styles. Both of these styles of photography have similar techniques in camera. For instance, having long exposures. Aperture settings and ISOs can all be the same between the two styles. The real difference is in front of the camera. This is where the techniques of light painting differ from long exposure. There are a few techniques that are valuable to enhance your light painting photography. This includes focus. If you've got a subject that's close to you, it's always handy to have a torch. If you're in a room or an environment where there is no light, the torch can be used to shine onto your subject before capturing the photo, allowing you to manually focus. Now, where do you paint with light? There can be a number of different reasons you choose different environments over each other. However, ideally it's best to have one with either no or minimal lights. The reason for this is having bright lights in the frame can overexpose the image and actually illuminate more than you desire. Before you go light painting, it is recommended that you plan ahead. Understanding what it is you want to take allows you to be more creative in the field and reduce the amount of errors you can come across. Once you have your scene and your frame sized up, it is important to go out and do a test run. Just by going in front of the camera and shining the light in front of the lens allows you to get exposure. This avoids you having to paint a whole scene, which could take you up to half an hour, getting back and then realizing you've underexposed the image. It is important to experiment in this style of photography. For instance, different light sources. Anything can be used from glow sticks, torches, and even fire. Be careful with the fire though. So let's look at a simple setup for taking in light painting. With this we've got a tripod, camera, lens, and a torch. We'll start simply just by using the torch and writing. As you can see in this example with sparklers, the result is more exciting. It is also important to have a fully charged battery. Using bulb exposure drains the battery a lot quicker than in another style. As you could imagine, the extent of this photography is unlimited in what you can achieve. So just get out there and experiment. All the best. Happy shooting.